It's Upcycled with Kailey! Hi, welcome to It's Upcycled with Kailey, and today we're going to be reviewing the Peppa Pig Lights and Sound Talking Plush. This plush is very cute, and this is from the show Peppa Pig, that's on Nickelodeon. But the cute thing about it is you squeeze it and it does this. Her cheeks lights up when you squeeze her tummy. It's so cute. So this plush only has 2 reactions when you hit its tummy. But if you would like to get this Peppa Pig Lights and Sound Talking Plush, you can get it at our website at itsupcycled.com. Thanks for tuning in with It's Upcycled with Kailey. Bye!